Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Welcome to Haylou GT1 Pro Earbuds Unboxing and Reviews. This is Haylou GT1 Pro Earbuds parcel that is received today. And I think you already know. It is mostly popular one earbuds now, for their quality and comfort price. Now, I try to open it. And let's see what is waiting for me. Now, I see Haylou GT1 Pro exclusive box and it looking very premium. Now, I cut the box plastic cover. And take out paper cover from the box. It's amazing moment. Let's open the box. Wow, I see now, earbuds case. Now, I take it my hand. We need to see, what else is there? I see, one user manual, that helps to learn, how to use it. And here another box, let's check. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earphones will give you stable transmission, fast speed transmitting, and low power consumption. I see here, extra earbuds mouth cover, it's really important. And one charging USB cable. Now, I dismantling earbuds case, plastic cover. It's really excellent looking, and very comfort in hand. You can carry it any place. Now I open the case. Wow, looking very cute, and indicator light turning on. This indicator light show you charging status that you able to learn by user manual. Let's take one earbuds in my hand. Embedded Bluetooth chipset supports the DSP module to offset parts of noise. With the built-in NC system, GT1 Pro offers clear talking while improving sound quality. It really excellent design, and perfect small. Now, I see earbuds charging port, cover by plastic. I pick up it. Now, I put it on earbuds case. Earbuds indicator light turning on and see red indicator for charging status, and when it full charged, it show white. I put charging cable in earbuds charging port. 800 mAh charging battery. The earbuds have 26 hours of battery life, with charging dock to secure music with you. And 800 mAh large battery capacity. built in the charging dock, providing you enough battery when you go out for a long journey. And put USB port on my laptop. You can use your own 5-volt DC charger, or another 5-volt DC source. You can see, this earbuds indicator light tuning on, and I see last light signal turn on and off. That means it not fully charged. When it full charged, totally turn off all light. And earbuds indicator light red. That means they not full charged. Battery display. The charging case has a built-in battery display function. The case will display the real battery capacity of the earbuds through the indicator light. Now, I turn on my phone Bluetooth and try to connect earbuds. It show available device section. I tap it and it automatically get connected. Just need to press earbuds touch panel 1 second. Double touch either earbud to wake up the voice assistant. Support Xiaomi from Xiaomi, Siri and Google Assistant. Every earbuds is touch supported. You can control music, call, by press this exclusive touch panel. One press, for music turn on, and off, and left earbuds double press, for next left music, and right earbuds double press, for next right music. 7.2mm driver with AAC. The dynamic driver is only 7.2mm. With AAC and high-polymer resin diaphragm, the built-in driver offers punchy bass, soft but clear mids and highs. Thanks to Hifi stereo, your calling would be like a face-to-face talk. At last I say, this is mostly powerful battery backup, exclusive sound-supported earbuds. And this earbuds price is very comfort. You can take it, if you love update excellent earbuds.
I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.